push on my hand with his leg.
Okay, then do that.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, this is not bad, huh, Jock? I know you're not scared to do that. Take it, huh? Oh, I know.
Good job, Jock. Is he moving it? I don't see him.
Yeah, he's moving his feet just a little bit. What do you think?
Because I think I'm going to get out.
Oh, yeah, he's pressing on my hands, aren't you? Yeah, I'm massaging it. Yes, that's Daddy's big boy. That's Daddy's big boy.
Is he moving? It doesn't see. I can see his feet on the bottom, but it doesn't.
Yeah, he's pressing on me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, he's not freaking out like I thought he would. Oh! Almost got out.
Okay, big boy. Okay. All right. Yeah, he's pumping his leg now, yeah.
Okay, Max, you're in the way. Max.
Oh, yeah. See, this is not so bad, huh?
Is he so you don't think the spa should go on, huh?
No. Oh, this is kind of cool, huh?
He goes,
cool.
no.
Yeah. Daddy's right here with you. He's not going to let you fall.
I got to move over because Max is in my way. Good boy, Max. Oh, he's laying right against you.
Well, he's trying to get out, kind of. He's not comfortable now.
Because why?
He was sliding through the hole, that's why.
Oh. Well, I mean, that's like the best one that they had. Max, everywhere I go, you are... He goes, take a picture of me, Mom.